Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudevani. Today's date is 30 August 2022 and today's topic is about string in Java. So here in this topic we will understand about the string. What actually string does? Actually the string represents the multiple characters. So the many character forms a string or we can say like array of characters is same like string. Now let's understand the importance of string in Java. So here in string we can store the multiple characters like words, sentences, like that. So the Java string is immutable, which means it cannot be changed. Whenever we change any string to a new instance is created. For mutable strings, we can use the string buffer and string builder classes. So directly we cannot change the string. That property of Java string is called immutability. Now, what is string in Java? Generally, string is the sequence of character, but in Java, string is an object that represent a sequence of characters. The Java language string class is used to create the string object. Actually, here in this Java, string is a class and this class has multiple methods and we can access that methods for knowing the length of the string or for knowing the how many characters are present in that particular string, checking the equality, checking the content, or comparing two strings. There are so many methods are present in the string. Here what is string in Java? As we know that it is the sequence of character. Now there are two types to create the string object. So the first method for creating the string object is by string literal and the another method is by using new keyword. So the first method is string literal. By using the string literal we can create a string object. Suppose we have to create a string object, then using literal, then just give the type string, then the name, and in front of that equal to, and in the double quotes we have to give the word whatever we want to provide as a input. Like that we can create the string in literal. Each time we have to create string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool, that is SCP memory, which is present in the heap memory. The next method is by using new keyword. Like we are creating the object, same like that, by using new keyword we can create the string, and that object is stored in the heap memory, and the copy of that object is stored in SCP memory. If we want to if there is a duplicate string given, then that in heap memory new object will be created, but it will search in the SCP whether that particular string is present, then it directly points to that particular object. That means no repeat copy is created in the string constant pool. This is about the string in Java. Thank you.